Honda's Shadow Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The allure of the open road, the wind in your hair, and the feeling of freedom, these are the elements that make motorcycling an exhilarating and unforgettable experience. For beginners venturing into this captivating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle holds immense significance. The Honda Shadow series emerges as a timeless choice, blending elegance, accessibility, and cruiser comfort. With its classic design, user-friendly features, and legendary reputation, the Honda Shadow stands as an exceptional companion for novices seeking to embark on their cruiser journey. Graceful performance and gentle power. At the heart of the Honda Shadow series lies a range of engines that offer a perfect balance between power and manageability. These engines provide a gentle surge of power, allowing beginners to savor the joy of cruising without feeling overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and ergonomics. The Honda Shadow is synonymous with comfort, offering a relaxed riding position that defines cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, forward set foot controls, and swept-back handlebars create an ergonomic configuration that ensures rider comfort during extended journeys. Timeless cruiser design and aesthetics. The Honda Shadow embodies the classic cruiser design language with an enduring touch. Its clean lines, chrome accents, and iconic fuel tank shape reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts adore. Novice riders not only experience the pleasure of cruising but also embrace the elegance that defines cruiser motorcycles. Smooth handling and stability. The Honda Shadow series is known for its smooth handling and stability, providing a sense of control and confidence for beginners. The well-balanced chassis and low center of gravity contribute to a comfortable and reassuring riding experience. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety is of paramount importance, especially for novice riders. Many Honda Shadow models come equipped with optional features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature offers beginners an added layer of assurance as they navigate different road conditions. Versatility for urban and leisure riding. The Honda Shadow's versatility is evident in its adaptability to various riding scenarios. From city commutes to leisurely cruises, novices can seamlessly transition between different environments while enjoying the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Honda Shadow series form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Shadow's cruiser lifestyle. Room for skill progression. The Honda Shadow encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can gradually explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and embracing the cruiser experience to its fullest. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda Shadow isn't just a beginner's choice, it's a companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Shadow as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Honda Shadow series stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering an elegant and approachable cruiser experience for beginners. With its graceful performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Shadow provides a timeless introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Honda Shadow motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the allure of the open road.